Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying basics. Make sure your phone runs a compatible OS and has at least 20% battery and free storage. Once done, pick your source, built-in animated wallpaper, a trusted app from the store, or a live photo you already have. Grant the app necessary permissions for photos, storage, and display so it can set the home screen. You do this now to avoid permission errors later. It speeds the process and prevents surprises during installation. Next, install a reputable live wallpaper app or open your system settings and go to Wallpaper to use built-in options. You import a live photo or select an animated pack, then preview it. Make adjustments to speed, loop behavior, and cropping so the motion looks natural on 16:9 screens. Once satisfied, tap Set as Home Screen or choose Lock plus Home if you want both. Confirm with Apply. This writes the image and animation into system wallpaper storage, so it runs smoothly. Finally, test responsiveness by returning to your home screen and waking the device. Watch how the animation triggers on touch or idle. If the wallpaper is static, reopen the app, reapply the wallpaper, clear the app cache, and restart your device. Make sure live wallpaper permission is not disabled. Also check battery impact. If you see significant drain, reduce frame rate or duration, or switch to a still image. These steps fix most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.